Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. Continuing the OLabs videos, we're going to talk about how you can use OLabs and experiment using biological subjects. Now, just click on biology. Now, as soon as you click on biology, one of the difficult chapters in NEET or challenging ones are the botany ones. And one of them is basically modification of roots. Now, I just click on the experiment, modification of roots. Now we know that in botany you have to remember a lot of names, but when you have a pictorial representation of that, it becomes much more easier. So I click on my simulation. As soon as I click on my simulation, I can see the different types of roots. Basically, it could be a prop root, adventitious root, tap root, and what is the mechanical support. And the same way, if I'm seeing it on a banyan tree, I can also see it on the radish and understand the type of root system that they have. With this way, you can understand how to differentiate between taproot, prop root, and a modification of root. Thank you so much.